While you may think of Brookdale as only degree programs, we have so much more. Did you know that Brookdale offers over 170 courses for professional development, personal growth, and enjoyment?
Hi, I'm Dr. Joan Scocco, the Dean of Continuing and Professional Studies, and I want to make you one promise. When you walk through the doors of this building, the staff of Continuing and Professional Studies will treat you and your family the way we would treat our own. We support the mission of the college through one overriding theme, that is strengthening the community. There are 4 different ways that we do this. One is through providing cultural and recreational learning. This is for lifelong learners who want to learn just for the joy of learning. This is for parents and grandparents who maybe always wanted to learn a second language or to play golf or pickleball or to study the wonders of the universe. Our Lifelong Learning Division has things for you to study. The second area is to provide economic enrichment and renewal for the county. We do that through workforce training. We have offerings from horticulture to healthcare, business and career training, real estate, and everything in between. So if you want to change a career, find a new job, or advance at the job that you're in, our career training area has something for you. Next, we offer pathways to educational equity for students who may, for cultural, language, or economic reasons, not have equitable access to education. We do this through offering GED preparation, adult basic education, and ESL programs. In addition, we provide crossover pathways for students who want to start in a short-term career program and make their way to their dream of fulfilling a college degree. To do that, we encourage you to start a career program, get a job perhaps at an organization that has tuition reimbursement, and if you do that, CPS, through a scholarship fund, will pay your application fee to become a degree student at Brookdale. So these are the many ways that we have to get you on your way to support personal renewal and economic recovery. So welcome to Continuing and Professional Studies, where my home is your home.
To get to know some of our other academic institutes and services, be sure to check out our other videos. We look forward to seeing you at our open house, where you can speak to our faculty, deans, and other department representatives. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you around campus.